case, congratulations, not only from my side, but from the entire team of Georgians Defense Academy for clearing your TES SSB and fulfilling your dream and aspiration to be an officer in proud Indian Defense Forces. सो सिर्फ आपके लिए नहीं बट बहुत एस्पिरेंट्स से जानना चाहते हैं कि ओवरऑल रिकमेंडेड कैंडिडेट और अनफॉर्चुनेटली नॉन रिकमेंडेड कैंडिडेट में क्या डिफरेंस होता है. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूं कि सीन नहीं निकले होते, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर we want you to share your honest feedback as a candidate because instructor होके कुछ बताना और एक one among them होकर कुछ बताना has a different impact. So first of all, आपका source of inspiration क्या था? What inspired you to choose defense forces as a career option? In spite of you being a technical guy, और भी बहुत options होंगे. So please, we'll like to know.
Sir, my primary inspiration has been my father. He's currently serving in border security force, and since the start, I have seen that life. I have been living in the campus. I have been seeing all the things happening. I have seen my father's office. I have seen other offices with him, and there is a different charm I have seen rather than living in civil life. So there is a lot of difference which I admire, and similar things, that olive green uniform, that also has been a great charm for me, and that inspired me to continue the legacy of my father. And yes, definitely, sir, I was a technical guy. I had been giving JEE for 2 years. I had taken a drop, and I had started my BTech. I was in the first semester of my college when I went for both of my SSBs. So definitely my backup was my college for BTech. I had thought about giving my NDA exams since the start. So I had been giving them from 2022. I had started it from 2022, the second attempt. And my father always tells me to keep a backup. तो उनके guidance से मैंने दोनों शुरू कर दिया. I also pursued my JEE and I also started giving my NDA. So JEE से मेरे को technical entry scheme का भी opportunity मिला जो पहले नहीं पता था मेरे को. But as soon as my dad told me, I applied for it. So I had been trying for SSB there too. And उसके साथ मैंने JEE भी दिया, उसमें भी क्लियर हुआ. SSBs के लिए भी मैंने क्लियर किया. But unfortunately मैं 2023 में एक भी SSB अटेंड नहीं कर पाया था. Firstly because of my JEE and then I had met with an accident. तो basically 2024 की starting में the NDA SSB and my technical entry 51 SSB were the two SSBs I could give after 2022. उस टाइम पे मैंने अपनी पहली SSB दी थी, which was for army.
What kind of accident that was?
Sir, I was coming back from the academy after my classes. मैं NDA के लिए prepare कर रहा था.
From our academy only?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
तो sir, I was going back on my bike and a truck hit me, so मेरा leg थोड़ा ज़्यादा injured हो गया था. I had muscle damage and luckily bone बच गई थी, so I was still able to walk after 1.5 months.
Okay, I asked you this question intentionally because I see many candidates, giving excuses of, minute things on day-to-day basis because of this, because of corona, because somebody fell ill in my family. So maybe this should be an inspiration that what we want to achieve, we finally do that. Maybe sometimes because of odd situations, all we need थोड़ा extra effort लगाना. 24 घंटे सभी के पास उतने ही हैं, ठीक है? So really you put in that extra effort and see the fruits are in front of you. Okay, so I will also like to know, and especially candidates who are so-called repeaters or conference out or screened out in other SSB, for them, what might have been the reason, as per your opinion, though they don't tell you or give you any feedback, that in your first SSB for NDA, you were not able to make it through. Otherwise, people generally कहते हैं TES में कम selection है, NDA में ज़्यादा है, but in your case, it is just the opposite. So if you can just let all of them know about it.
Sir, सबसे पहला मेरी ही गलती थी जो मैं बोलूँगा. When I was filling the form for NDA, तो as my dad is from border security force, तो primarily BSF was formed from army. Army officers ने BSF को starting में raise किया था. तो I had the touch of army with me always. I had been living in campus. But sir, I mistakenly added. I did not think of it. I added Air Force as my first priority, and I'm wearing glasses, so I can't be a fighter pilot, and I hadn't thought it through that. I got to read in the interview. I lied sometimes because of the panic. I also was not as confident as I thought I would be. And in GTO tasks also, the physical part, I was not really prepared. So that led to me crashing in my first SSB. and I got confidence.
Okay, as a mentor, as a guide, as a trainer, as a teacher, we don't call ourselves coaches because we generally don't coach. Every kid has their own individual requirements. ठीक है? We rather focus on grooming them. So अभी आपने जो एक word use किया light and then think previously before filling the form. Obviously, अगर आपका passion किसी और है genuine passion and you are trying to justify which is your second love, तो वो difference evident होता है. And trust you me, SSS are expert at that. And the best part which I liked is that you took the blame upon yourself. That is the first step, to rise above your failures and achieve what you generally want to. Okay, so now how do you see your life in times to come? Are you happy?
Definitely, sir.
What about your parents? What about the locality you live in? And maybe if anybody special is there in your life, like what's their approach towards you now? Have you seen any difference?
Yes, sir, definitely. My father, जब मैंने सबसे पहले कॉल किया था, I did not get my phone. Recommended candidates को phone नहीं मिलता पहले. So as soon as I got someone else's phone, I called my father, and that was the first time in my life I could hear him so happy, and his reaction was just priceless. I heard him for the first time, and when I called my mom, she started crying because of all this happiness. Everyone was happy, even my family was happy. Currently, I would say बहुत अच्छी जा रही है लाइफ. I can see a bright future. I finally achieved something.
Okay, being an ex-NDA, once I was recommended for my NDA from 11 SSB Lahabad. I still remember my chest name, which was 17, and exactly the same thing happened. The only difference, I had to run to the PCO booth to call, and obviously this happens because you have achieved it through planning, proper training, and all. Right now, अगर वो WAT का word आपके सामने आए life, तो आप क्या लिखोगे? Wonderful,
Wonderful.
full of joy.
Definitely.
Right? So this is the outcome जो हमें मिलता है अपने परिश्रम से, अपने hard work से. Okay, not last but not the least, I just want your honest opinion. How far do you think that we being mentors, teachers, as Georgians Defense Academy was able to guide you in the right path in order that what you achieve right now? Like, what's your feedback? Any suggestions for improvement? Be damn honest, okay? That will help us as well and other aspirants too.
Sir, अगर मैं coaching में सब teachers की बात करूँ, it was just excellent. I would say guidance is very much required if you want to go for SSB because some things cannot be known by themselves. सब कुछ online नहीं मिलता, सब कुछ खुद prepare नहीं कर सकते. So coaching and mentorship is very much required. And definitely, Georgia Defense Academy coaching नहीं है. It is a source of guidance in which I have seen a lot of different mentors. सबसे पहले मैं NDA का prepare करने आया था, तो the teachers there, they were very good. I could understand every bit of it. And when I came for SSB, KP sir, Vikas sir, every aspect of my SSB training, it went well. I could understand everything. मेरे को individual attention भी मिलता था about my things. Interviews were taken constantly, once in a while, regular intervals पे, and constant feedbacks होते थे for everything. May it be SRT part, psychology part, GAT part, even interview part. So I think overall it was very good. And I would just give it all the credits to the guidance I have taken. I'm sorry. The guidance I took from KP sir, from Vikas sir, everything just was excellent. I could learn new things, and this is not only about SSB. I learned some things that I implement in my life now, just not about SSB.
Exactly. SSB is a subset of your life and personality. Right? Life is much bigger than SSB. So अगर life के approach सही रहेंगे, तो SSB आपका automatic सही रहेगा. यही क्लू है. If you try to fake things in SSB, try to mug up things, so वो तीनों चीजों में alignment नहीं होगी, and you will not be original. And as you know, forces are looking towards somebody who is ethical, original. So basically, life का approach develop करो. Personality में communication अगर थोड़ी आपकी because of the background or exposure weak है, stage fear है, public speaking का fear है, these all things can only go by means of practice. And what about the batch sizes? क्या individual attention, access to instructor available थे, या it was a very big batch जहाँ lot में लोग आते हैं, lot में चले जाते हैं, and जो बच्चा weak होता है वो weak ही वहाँ से non recommended हो जाता है, और जो pre polished child है people gain results of them in their name. आपको क्या लगा? आपको individual attention, out of the class support, कोई personal problem, कहीं कुछ hindrance, कोई lack of motivation था, तो क्या instructors available थे आपको?
Definitely sir, हर point पे available थे. हमारी एसएसबीस की डेट्स हमें हम बता देते थे, एंड वी वुड हैव इंडिविजुअल अटेंशन राइट 2 weeks 3 weeks बिफोर दैट। इंटरव्यूज का the frequency of interviews increased, and things like psychology उसकी practice ज़्यादा करनी होती थी। Constant interviews से बहुत अच्छी guidance मिलती थी। Everything was really good because individual attention end में बहुत अच्छे से मिलता था। तो I would say rather it was not a big batch, it was a small batch, so अच्छे से attention मिल रहा था, अच्छे से guidance मिल रही थी।
अच्छा, and what is your opinion like the way we operate कि हम जैसे अगर कोई बच्चा unfortunately recommend नहीं हो पाता है या screen out भी अगर हो जाता है तो we open our doors for him to come second time, the third time without charging anything because our aim is ultimately unka recommendation. So what do you feel like how is it this step? Like once you came back again, maybe second time for the SSB, was the approach towards you was the same as freshers?
Sir, it was rather more supportive.
More personal.
Yes, I will. KP sir constantly said, अब और मेहनत करेंगे, सारी गलतियां लिखे एक जगह, बात कर उनके बारे में improve करनी है. So individual attention grow करता है उसके बाद. I got a lot more guidance from the teachers here. I got more help here.
The second time.
Yes, sir.
Because first time is not only professional but a personal bonding भी develop हो जाता है.
Definitely, sir.
Correct. So as a elder, not any instructor or trainer, we all wish you a very best of luck from Georgians Defense Academy. And once you wear the stars, we will like to see you here with us once at least.
Thank you.
Right? Jai Hind, all the best.
Thanks.